Welcome to the High School Common Core Math Training video. This video will provide you with an in-depth view of our high school math products. You will have an opportunity to view important details and highlights of the student edition. We are very excited about these products and believe they will be a huge help to teachers and students in learning high school Common Core mathematics and algebra. Common Core Coach Algebra 1 was created exclusively to match the Common Core State Standards model for Algebra 1 with the traditional pathway. The student text is aligned to the Common Core standards in order to give high school students all the support they will need to build algebra proficiency. The Algebra 1 student book is made up of 5 units, each followed by a unit review that adheres to the Common Core State Standards traditional pathway. Each unit is made up of lessons that give robust instruction and rigorous student practice. Performance tasks are included throughout, and problem solving is embedded in the lessons. Common Core Coach Mathematics 1 provides focused Common Core instruction for the integrated pathway. This integrated pathway is also aligned to the Common Core State Standards and will be a vital tool in the development of high school students' mathematical skills through this integrated pathway. Mathematics 1 is made up of 6 units that match the outline released by the Common Core Mathematics Appendix. Each unit is made up of lessons that give robust instruction and rigorous student practice. Units are followed by a comprehensive review and include a performance task. As you can see on the slide, there are many features and highlights for both the Algebra 1 and Mathematics 1 products. These features and highlights were included to help students' understanding and mastery of the Common Core State Standards, whether taking the traditional algebra pathway or the integrated mathematics pathway. Both Algebra 1 and Mathematics 1 has a table of contents which outlines the entire school year for the student's particular pathway. Each unit is broken down into the different lessons that build the skills necessary for the unit topic. Each lesson is aligned to the corresponding Common Core State Standard. The glossary, formula sheet, and math tools are also included for easy student access. Let's now look into a lesson. Each lesson begins with whole class instruction that includes explanations, vocabulary, formulas, and stepped-out examples. On the next page, a real-life application problem is modeled for the student, which is solved step by step. Finally, the student or students are asked to try a similar problem with a partner, in a small group, or independently. The next 2 pages of the lesson gives the student guided practice opportunities with problems that help further develop that particular Common Core standard. Discussion questions encourage small group interaction and collaboration with the guided practice. The final pages of the lesson is independent student practice. These problems help assess student understanding of the whole class and small group parts of the lesson. The practice problems are a mixture of multiple choice, short response, and story problems that integrate the problem-solving process. The back of the book contains helpful student reference materials and tools. The glossary aids students with the content-specific vocabulary for algebra and mathematics. The formula sheet gives the student a quick reference for needed formulas, and the math tools help aid students in the application of the standards they are learning. Classroom sets are available and contain a teacher's guide, 25 student books, and 25 student assessment books. Purchasing classroom sets saves the customer 15%. The teacher's manual has everything needed to build procedural fluency and conceptual understanding, standards for mathematical practice alignments throughout, progressions, common error analysis, and more. The assessments include unit assessments and summative assessments. All test items are aligned to the Common Core State Standards, Webb's Depths of Knowledge level, lesson number, and standards for mathematical practice where applicable. We hope you have found this training video to be informative and helpful. We appreciate you taking time to learn about these new high school Common Core math products.